Howdy hey y'all, it's Nana Ange, and I'm back today to take off these beauties. I've had these nails on, press-on nails on, for 2 weeks, and they're screaming to come off because you can see they're lifting in the back. Your press-ons will tell you when they're ready to come off. So we're gonna remove this right hand. And the first thing I like to do is grab my cuticle oil. This is just a Saviland cuticle oil. And just get all around my fingers because you want them to be a little protected. From acetone and the things that we use to remove them. I just took a shower. That is the best time that I find to take your nails off because they kind of expand and get a little loose. Okay. And how I applied these, I'm just making a little gap here, was my preferred method, which is to use sticky tabs in the middle of the nail only. So you pick a size that's smaller than your nail. I'm just gently kind of making a gap. Gently, I'm applying hardly any pressure at all. And that one I can tell is just holding on by the sticky tabs. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that off. And I also have a layer of builder gel under my extensions so it doesn't hurt my natural nail. If I do get a little pulley or one of them decides to pop off, it doesn't take my nail with it. Okay, that one's pretty stuck on, so I use sticky tabs in the center like I was saying, and then ladies, if you have never tried the Curve Life nail glue, you can get it right from Curve Life, and this is not sponsored by any means, but you can get it right on Curve Life or you can get it through Amazon. Best nail glue I've ever used. Best. This is the Curve Life remover, and this is really liquidy. So what I like to do is just pull where it's showing and just get a little bit down there. And it doesn't have any smell to it. I don't know what it is, but it seems to do the trick. And then I kind of just do this. Yeah, they're already loosening up. Okay, that one's ready to pop. So just gently going forward, stopping if I feel any pain at all, and see, that's just my builder gel on the top and the sticky tab. So, yeah, works really well. And I have a job where I type all day long, and for press-ons to last me 2 weeks is awesome. What other kind of glues are out there? You know, I'm just new to this game. What other kind of glues work really, really well? Let me know in comments. Okay, this one, I always seem to have problems with my thumbs. Oh yeah, I'm above the builder gel though, I can see it. It's really attached on this side, so I'm going to put a little bit more of this remover. Right there, because I do not like pain. Should not be painful to remove your nails. Okay, let's see if we can. And there she comes. That's just builder gel and the sticky tabs. I have really thin nails and very flat beds. And what I find when I use the glue in combination with a smaller sticky tab that I put right in the middle of my nail. So I put the sticky tab right in the middle of my nail, and then on the press-on itself, I'll fill in the glue till about where I think my nail is going to be. And then I'll put it on at a 45-degree angle and hold it for at least 15 seconds. Sometimes longer. But that's removal. And now I'm just going to take my acetone and take off the rest of this stuff and buff them and get ready for the next mani. So thank you so much for joining me. If you would please be so kind as to like and subscribe. Like I said, I'm a newbie and I follow a bunch of nail ladies out there. So if you would like to also leave me a comment with your YouTube channel, I will be sure to like and subscribe you back. We're all in this together. All right, that's all I have today. Next up, we'll put some nails on for Valentine's Day. So thank you so much, and I appreciate you all watching. Have a great day. Love ya, Nana Ange.